How to diagnose and fix DBC malfunction in your BMW X1. DBC or dynamic brake control is nothing but an advanced brake assist feature. Simply put, it enables you to stop your BMW at the shortest possible distance. However, it may fail due to normal wear and tear. Driving around with a malfunctioning DBC puts you at the risk of an accident. Luckily, there are a few signs to identify a defective DBC in your BMW. What are the signs of a failing DBC? DBC malfunction. Message. This is perhaps the most obvious symptom of DBC malfunction in your BMW. While annoying, it's not a cause of concern, but rather just that it's time to inspect your DBC. Start off assistance inactive message. Another sign that your BMW DBC might be failing is the appearance of a start off assistance inactive message. It is an important warning sign that tells you that get your BMW DBC assessed. Lit up ABS light. Blinking ABS light could also be a sign of a failing DBC. Get your BMW DBC checked out before it leads to bigger brake problems. Ineffective brakes. If your DBC is not functioning properly, one problem you will face is poor brake efficiency. Let a mechanic diagnose the problem to make sure that you're not losing all of your braking abilities. Causes for DBC failure in your BMW. DBC of your BMW may malfunction due to any of the following reasons. Battery failure, ABS-related issues, malfunctioning while speed sensors. Wrapping up. A bad DBC can become the reason for brake failure in your BMW. Therefore, it would be best to keep an eye on the signs of a failing DBC. And, once you find out that your DBC has gone bad, you must visit the car service center right away.